vlog. Echo. Pause. I don't want to get copyrighted. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the fun. Welcome, bestie boo. I am Nikki and I love making videos and I love you guys so much and this is my dream. And today we're making banana bread. I wanted to attempt a baking video forever. So let's get into it. Also, let me know if y'all like baking videos because then I'll make more. And subscribe. If you're new here, subscribe. Let's get into it. Hey! Oh! Call me Betty Crocker because we're about to get crocked in this. Oh, frick, I just wiped off my eyeliner. I always do that. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I thought it would be really fun if we do a baking video. Fun fact about me is that when I was in college, I used to stress bake, which is when you avoid all your responsibilities by baking. And I haven't baked in a while. I've been living in Airbnbs. I haven't had like ingredients. So now that I'm in an apartment, I want to make baking videos. It's giving, it's Valentine's Day, you know? It's Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is around the corner. I am just so freaking excited and happy. I love Valentine's Day, even though I'm single. I love it. You wanna know why? Because vibes, flowers, the bows, the red, the everything, the bears, the cute little Valentine's hearts, the candy, the chocolate. It's my favorite holiday ever, and I feel like Valentine's Day has the same vibes as school on a half day on a Friday. Am I wrong? Like that is just the vibe of Valentine's Day and I love it. Wait, I didn't even show you guys my kitchen can light up. Oh, you see that? The goal here today is to bake banana bread. I know that's a random one and I know it's not super Valentine's Day themed, so let me know if we like this series. And if this gets more than like 10 views, I'll make another Valentine's Day baking video. Today we're doing banana bread because I have, oh no, these freaking rotten bananas. Look at this. Wait, thumbnail. Okay. Oh my god, it's slimy. I have these rotten bananas and I think that you're supposed to use them for banana bread when they're that brown. And I hope they're still good to like bake with because I don't really know. So if I get sick, today we're just gonna have a cutesy little girl baking day together. Echo. Play I'm So Tired by Loud. I love this song.
Here's I'm So Tired by Loud and Troye Sivan.
I'm so tired, just wanna go.
I have to find the recipe. The goal is to make the best banana bread I've ever had. Let's get all our ingredients. I wish YouTube didn't have copyright. First, we need 2 to 3 medium bananas, very ripe. Right. A 1/3 cup of butter, baking soda, salt, sugar, an egg, vanilla extract, and flour. Got the vanilla. I saw a girl use this as perfume. I kind of want to try it. Let me know if y'all want my full Valentine's Day playlist. Okay, because it's really good. I'm so tired of love songs, tired of... Ah! Oh! Why does vanilla smell so good? Our song, yeah. To our song, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm so tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. This is the debate. Do we put chocolate chips in? Duh. Okay. It's about to get real fun. That's for dang sure. I have all my ingredients. First thing, we gotta mash our nanners. Mash the bananas and add the butter. Ooh. Oven is currently preheating. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh, this is literally perfect. Play Strawberries and Cigarettes by Troye Sivan.
Strawberries and Cigarettes by Troye Sivan.
Look at that butter. Guys, what is your favorite movie to watch around Valentine's Day? I need movies. Mine is low-key the 50 Shades of Grey series. Oh.
Daydreams are beautiful.
I'm waiting for my butter to melt. Do y'all like my baking outfit? I'm gonna throw that in. Okay, next we're gonna need to, oh my gosh, this is a lot. We need to take our rotten bananas. Oh yeah, and we're gonna mash them in the bowl. Yeah, I'm scared that these are like gonna be really rotten, to be honest. I don't know. Ah, they're like slimy. Why are they slimy? I feel like they shouldn't be slimy. Oh gosh, I can't even like open it. We should be Gucci, you know? Try to get in there. Oh, ew, this feels wrong. Okay, I'm like ripping it open. Oh, she's perfectly good. Fire. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Okay. I cannot open this thing. Brown eyes, sugar. Oh, I just stabbed it open. Look at that. Even if I run away. I'm rewatching To All the Boys I've Loved Before, and those movies are so bomb. They're so good. Laura Jean Covey. They're like literally so good. I can't get enough of them. Even if I run away. Butter and bananas. Yum. Strawberries and cigarettes. Oh, this is not aesthetic. I need to make this look aesthetic. The bananas and the butter. Oh. Fun fact about me, I actually hate whisks because I hate cleaning them. Take my wooden spoon and get in there. I think you have to mash it. I'm literally making banana butter. Oh gosh. Even if I run away. Mix in baking soda and salt. Easy. Play Crush Culture by Conan Gray. What am I doing? Oh, a pinch of salt. In your game of manipulation. The honest love is suffocating. Just let me be sad and lonely. Cause we need half a teaspoon of this. Oh. How many teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
1 tablespoon is 3 teaspoons.
I think this is a teaspoon. Okay. Ah. And no one cares if you two made out. But I don't dash of cinnamon. 1 egg. Ah, this is the fun part. This is the fun part. We're gonna crack this egg in. Watch, I can do it with 1 hand. Ready? Yeah! Oh, I got shell in. I got a little bit of shell. I didn't really do it right that time, to be honest. Like, I knew it wasn't gonna be good. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh yeah. Oh, that smells so freaking bomb. I low-key always do extra. Little baker's secret, I always do extra vanilla. Like, why not? Why wouldn't you want it to taste like vanilla goodness? You know what I mean? Yummy. Ah, I'm running out of energy. Ah, I need my matcha.
I need a matcha now.
3/4 cup of sugar. Wait, 1/3 of a cup is 4 out of 12. Yeah, okay, so 2 of these. I don't know if that math made sense, but oh well. That looks like a good fat amount of sugar. Woo! I love baking. It literally makes me feel like I'm an old grandma, and I love it. I love it. I always wear a cardigan. Like, I love it. All we need is the flour. Woo! Okay, that's like 1. As you can tell, I don't do everything exactly. I'm kind of a bad girl around here. Yeah, look at that flour. All right, y'all. I will see you when this is done baking. Let's add some chocolate. Oh, these are milk chocolate. Oh, that's gonna be fire. Fire. Oh, look at her. Look at her. Oh my gosh, it's time. This is so exciting. Oh, fire. It looks so good. Are you kidding? This looks literally magnificent. So I used the recipe that my mom uses, but I tweaked it a little bit, so I hope it tastes good. Cheers. Wait, you guys try a bite first. Do you like it? Mmm. That's what it needs. Oh, my brain was like, what am I missing? I used to always eat banana bread with Nutella. I think my mom uses 3 bananas and I only use 2. It's more like bread, but with Nutella, this would be fire. So good. I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up. And comment what you want to see next. I love baking videos, so let me know if you want me to make more. Maybe a Valentine's Day treat. I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.